Hi everyone. Have you been feeling tired all the time? Are you struggling with weight gain or you are feeling foggy headed? Your thyroid might be telling you something. Today I am going to share 7 amazing foods that can naturally support your thyroid health. And these foods are not just some random recommendations. Everything that I'm sharing today is backed by recent scientific research. Your thyroid is that tiny butterfly shaped gland in your neck, and it's the master controller of your metabolism. When it's happy, you are happy. When it's struggling, you can feel it everywhere. So, without wasting any time, let's get into those 7 amazing foods. Hi, I am Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. Okay, first up is Brazil nuts. Now, I know what you're thinking. Nuts, really? But Brazil nuts are so special. These nuts are absolutely loaded with selenium. In fact, these are the nature's richest source of this mineral. And selenium is very crucial for our thyroid because they can convert your thyroid hormone T4 into its active form T3. Recent research shows that just eating 1 to 2 Brazil nuts per day can significantly increase your selenium levels. Other study found that eating 2 Brazil nuts daily can be as effective as taking selenium supplements to improve your thyroid function. But the catch is, don't go overboard because Brazil nuts are so rich in selenium that eating too much of them can lead to selenium toxicity. So, just stick to 1 to 2 Brazil nuts daily and you are golden. Food number 2 is something that you probably already have in your fridge. It's cheese and other dairy products. Here is what most people don't know. Dairy products are the richest sources of iodine in many countries. 1 cup of milk can provide about 40% of your daily iodine needs. The best part? Well, the iodine in dairy is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can easily absorb and use it, unless and until you have lactose intolerance. A fascinating research review also confirmed that dairy products consumption can reduce the incidence of thyroid issues when consumed regularly. So, you can go for regular cow's milk, cheese, cottage cheese or paneer and yogurt in order to enhance your thyroid function. Coming in at number 3 is oysters and shellfish. These ocean treasures are loaded with zinc, and zinc plays a fascinating role in thyroid health. A groundbreaking study found that low zinc levels can increase your risk of having hypothyroidism by 6 times. That's insane, right? Zinc helps in regulating the enzymes that convert thyroid hormone T4 into T3, and it also supports thyroid hormone production in the first place. Think of zinc as the helper that makes sure thyroid machinery is running smoothly. So, oysters and shellfish are the zinc champions, and you can go for it if you want to improve your thyroid health. Food number 4 is wild caught fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines. These fish are triple threats for your thyroid health. It's because they provide selenium, omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, all of which that support your thyroid function. A study found that vitamin D deficiency is significantly more common in people with thyroid autoimmune disease like Hashimoto's. And when researchers gave vitamin D supplements to people who have hypothyroidism, they saw improvement in their TSH levels. The omega-3 fats in fatty fish can reduce inflammation, which is especially important for autoimmune thyroid condition like Hashimoto's, in which your immune system is attacking your thyroid. So, you can aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week and your thyroid is good to go. The fifth food is eggs. But here is the key. You need to eat the whole egg yolk and all. The yolk contains both iodine and selenium. Plus, it's one of the fewer sources of vitamin D. A study emphasized that eggs provide multiple thyroid supporting nutrients in just one package. Now, some people worry about eating egg yolks, but recent research has moved away from that old cholesterol fears. In fact, the nutrients in that yolk are actually essential for hormone production. And remember, thyroid hormones are hormones. Many research suggests that you can have up to 1 egg per day, which can be actually beneficial for most of the people who are having thyroid issues. So, without having any false fears, you can absolutely go for eggs in order to take care of your thyroid health. Food number 6 is Greek yogurt, especially that full fat plain variety. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of iodine, which provides 50% of your daily needs in just 1 cup. It is also a very good source of selenium and probiotics that support your gut health. Now, why does gut health matter for your thyroid? Well, a fascinating study revealed that your gut microbiome directly influences your thyroid function. When your gut bacteria are healthy, then they can help in regulating your thyroid hormones absorption, and it can also help in reducing inflammation. So, you can go for plain full fat Greek yogurt, and you can also add your own fresh fruit into it. So, do add Greek yogurt because it is an excellent source which can improve your thyroid health. And finally, food number 7 is pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with zinc, magnesium and iron, 3 minerals that are absolutely essential for thyroid function. A study showed that Deficiencies of these minerals are commonly found in people who are having thyroid issues. Just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds can provide about 20% of your daily zinc needs. They are also one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. You can consume it by toasting them into a healthy snack. You can sprinkle them on your salads or you can blend them with your smoothie. Also, the magnesium in pumpkin seeds is crucial because they can also help in converting your thyroid hormone T4 into T3, just like your selenium and zinc do. So, do add pumpkin seeds into your meals if you want to give benefits to your thyroid health. Now, before we wrap up, I want to emphasize on some important points that are related to your thyroid health. So, the first one is the foods that I have mentioned can support your thyroid health, but they are not a replacement of your thyroid medication if you need it. So, always work with your doctor. Point number 2 is more is not always better. Some of these nutrients, especially iodine and selenium, can actually harm your thyroid if you eat them too much. So, moderation is the key. The third point is, if you have a thyroid condition, especially autoimmune thyroid disease, then do consult with your health professional before making any major dietary changes. Point number 4 is, dietary changes do not work overnight. Give these foods at least 3 to 6 months to make a difference. And also, track how do you actually feel after having these foods. The last point is, these 7 foods are absolutely fantastic, but they work best as a part of overall nutritious diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins. So, there you have it, 7 science-backed foods that can naturally improve your thyroid health. These foods are Brazil nuts, cheese and dairy products, oysters and shellfish, wild-caught fatty fish, eggs, Greek yogurt and pumpkin seeds. That's all. Just remember, thyroid health is connected to your overall health. Those 7 foods are not magic bullets, but they are very powerful tools in your wellness toolkits. Do let me know in the comment section, out of those 7 foods, which of them are you going to add into your meals in order to keep your thyroid healthy throughout the whole life. And if you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also get maximum benefits from these foods for their thyroid gland. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.